Bituminous pavements are popular because they can be constructed faster, offer better riding comfort, and are easy to repair. However, the life cycle of these bituminous pavements is lower due to performance issues like cracking, rutting, raveling, and pothole formation, which are caused due to poor bonding of bitumen to aggregates, poor coating efficiency of fines, and lower compaction density. Bituminous mixes degrade over time and are also susceptible when subjected to wet and dry cycles. Physical loss of mastic due to degradation leads to debonding and disintegration of the bituminous layer. Other concerns also include pinholes in the bitumen film because of higher binder viscosity, shorter mixing time, and high surface area of the fines, causing poor wetting. Paving with high-temperature bituminous mixes exposes the paving crew to fumes and odor, which is a global concern. Also, hot mix requires higher fuel consumption and leads to a larger carbon footprint. Governments and engineers around the world are therefore looking for technologies to reduce the mix temperature by 20 to 30 degrees Celsius to achieve a 90% reduction in fumes at the paving stage. However, the challenge is to avoid poor coating and inefficient mixing of the bitumen binder at lower temperatures. Zydex introduces ZycoTherm, a technology that offers a comprehensive solution. ZycoTherm is a globally patented organosilane additive. It addresses the issues of coating, chemical bonding, and consistent compaction at lower temperatures. ZycoTherm works as an anti-strip additive with warm mix performance. It reduces the surface tension of the bitumen binder, leading to significant improvement in the wetting of aggregates, particularly fines in the mixes. ZycoTherm mixes are less sticky, easier to mix, and have reduced segregation. These high-quality mixes are jet black and glossy in appearance, confirming superior coating performance. ZycoTherm from 0.07% to 0.15% in bitumen binders can substantially improve their lubrication and workability, especially that of polymer-modified bitumen and harder binders. The reduced torque, due to the lesser resistance, leads to amperage reduction in production plants. The reduced stickiness of bitumen, even at lower temperatures, is the key to efficient mixing. This ensures production of high-quality, completely coated mastic, resulting in high-performance warm mixes. ZycoTherm addresses the moisture susceptibility of the mixes by forming a strong chemical bond with the aggregate. It reacts at a nano level and converts the water-loving silanol groups into oil-loving alkyl siloxanes. The modified hydrophobic aggregate surface improves the bonding to bitumen by an order of magnitude. The faster wetting and easier mixing of ZycoTherm modified mixes enable quick heat transfer, leading to efficient melting of RAP or RAS. This significantly improves the melt recovery percentage. ZycoTherm additive overcomes poor heat transfer due to shorter mixing time for RAP melting in bulk production. This helps to achieve 10% additional higher RAP usage without compromising the mix quality. Consistent density at lower temperatures is the key benefit of ZycoTherm. It micellizes the asphaltenes, resulting in less sticky mixes with improved workability. It has been well documented in the projects done worldwide that ZycoTherm mixes flow much better and do not segregate. This results in less crusting, uniform gradation, and improved density with less number of passes. ZycoTherm modified mixes facilitate compaction even up to 90 degrees Celsius, which is desirable for colder climates and longer hauls. Contractors using ZycoTherm around the world always earn density bonuses. ZycoTherm mixes can be produced at lower temperatures, which reduces the oxidation of bitumen, thereby extending the aging factor. ZycoTherm keeps the equipment clean. When added to bitumen tanks, the heating coils have no buildup. The drums, bucket elevators, silos, way hoppers, and the paving equipment do not need frequent cleanups. The mixes are easy to work by hand during the paving operation. In addition to all the above, ZycoTherm is an environment-friendly, non-corrosive, and odor-free additive that works at a very low dosage and can easily be added either at the terminal, in the storage tanks, or blended in-line at the hot mix plant. ZycoTherm, an eco-technology for sustainable pavements.